Good morning, class 11 commerce students. I hope you all are doing very well. The chapter is in progress is production function, and yes, in my previous video I discussed one more topic, production concept. In that I defined TPP, total physical production, or you can say total production, meaning is same, marginal production, average production. Yesterday I drew this table. I told we are trying to understand this function in short run, where there is a categorization of variable and fixed factors. Land is fixed factor 1111. In short period, the amount of land can't be increased. Labor variable factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total production marginal average. Yesterday I told you, before making the column of TPP, let us make MP marginal production. और मार्जिनल प्रोडक्शन का एक बिहेवियर होता है, वो क्या बिहेवियर है? पहले मार्जिनल प्रोडक्शन बढ़ता है 10, 20, 30, फिर कम होना शुरू हो जाता है 20, 10, 0, और फिर वो नेगेटिव जोन में चला जाता है -10, 20, 30. With the help of this MP we can draw TP 10 as it is. This is Z addition. Z addition 10 plus 20 30, 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 20 80, 80 plus 10 90, 90 plus 0 90, 90 minus 10 80, and so on. AP I told yesterday, the formula is TP upon L, total production upon labor, 10 upon 1 10, 30 upon 2 15, 60 upon 3 20, and so on. Yesterday I discussed this formula. TP can be calculated with the help of AP into L, average production into labor, or it can be done sigma MP. Then MP is equal to delta TP upon delta L, change in total production upon change in labor, and AP is equal to TP upon L, total production upon labor. Now we will discuss relation between TP and MP, relation between total production and marginal production. The first relation is TP stands for sigma MP, and MP is equal to delta TP upon delta L. This is the first relation कि TP can be calculated with the help of marginal production, and marginal production can be calculated with the help of total production. So this is the first relation between TP and MP. The second relation is when when TP is maximum, MP is always 0. जब TP maximum होगा, MP हमेशा क्या होगा? 0 होगा. You can check over here. Here MP is 0 and TP is maximum. After that TP has starts declining. जब TP ज़्यादा है, 90 यहाँ भी ज़्यादा है, but उसके बाद एक स्टेप और जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमारे पास है. After 90 it has start declining. From diagram also you can see where TP is maximum, your MP is 0. MP is intersecting at x-axis. So when TP is maximum, MP is 0. Third relation. Third relation is when TP starts declining, MP goes into negative zone. जब TP डिक्लाइन स्टार्ट हो जाता है तो MP किधर चला जाता है? नेगेटिव जोन में चला जाता है. MP has become negative when TP has starts declining. This is the another relation between TP and MP. And one more can be said over here. Till here, from this point to this point, if you see, your TP is increasing at an increasing rate. यहाँ पर जो टीपी है वो इंक्रीजिंग रेट से बढ़ रहा है, तो एमपी विल बी ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग एंड इट बी मैक्सिमम ओवर हियर। शुरू में टीपी इंक्रीजिंग रेट से बढ़ रहा है, यू कैन सी ओवर हियर टीपी लगातार बढ़ रहा है बट इंक्रीजिंग रेट है। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग रेट? इंक्रीजिंग रेट मींस देखिए यहाँ से यहाँ पर 20 से बढ़ा, यहाँ से यहाँ 30 बढ़ा, दिस इज नोन एज इंक्रीजिंग रेट। टीपी आगे भी बढ़ रहा है बट आगे देखिए इंक्रीजिंग रेट नहीं है, आगे टीपी 20 से बढ़ा है, अब पहले 10 से बढ़ा, फिर 20 से, फिर 30 से, और अब देखिए 20 से बढ़ रहा है, डिक्रीजिंग रेट हो गया, फिर भी बढ़ रहा है बट 10 से, तो दिस इज नोन एज इंक्रीजिंग रेट। तो जब तक टीपी हमारा इंक्रीजिंग रेट से बढ़ेगा, एमपी हमारा मैक्सिमम होगा और उसके बाद एमपी विल स्टार्ट डिक्लाइनिंग। तो दीज आर फ्यू रिलेशन बिटवीन टीपी एंड एमपी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज रिलेशन बिटवीन एपी एंड एमपी, रिलेशन बिटवीन एपी एंड एमपी। द फर्स्ट रिलेशन इज AP can be calculated with the help of TP upon L, and MP can also be calculated with the help of this delta TP upon delta L. Both can be calculated with the help of total production. So this is the first relation. Second, initially both MP and AP increases. Initially both MP and AP increases, but MP increases at faster rate. MP increases at faster rate. शुरू में दोनों बढ़ते हैं, you can check over here, MP बढ़ रहा है 10, 20, 30, 10, 15, 20, both are increasing, but you see MP increases at faster. From here also you can check through diagram. This is AP. You see, AP is also increasing, MP is also increasing, but MP is above than AP. MP जो है AP से ऊपर है. It means MP is increasing at a faster rate. Third, when MP and AP intersect, when AP and MP intersect, after that AP starts declining. AP starts declining. जहां AP और MP इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, इस पॉइंट पे देखिए इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, आफ्टर दैट AP will starts declining. इसके बाद AP बढ़ेगा नहीं. एंड नंबर 4, MP can be negative but AP can't be. MP can be negative, MP नेगेटिव हो सकता है but AP can never be negative. AP कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होता है. तो this is the another relation between TP and MP. So this was your another topic, relation between, earlier I did TP and MP and now I am doing AP and MP. Yes, in my previous video also I explained this table. Here also again I have also explained this table. Thank you. Now we will do one more topic.